You're debating if you should get your home loan through a banker or a broker. We're gonna talk about the pros and cons today, but I wanna point out a couple key differences that you guys wanna take into account as you are making your decisions. So on the banker side, that's gonna be direct lenders. That's gonna be Rocket Mortgage, Loan Depot, or banks, Wells Fargo, Chase, you guys get the picture. On the broker side, you're gonna be working with a brokerage. So that brokerage could be 10 people, that brokerage could be 200 people. It just depends. The key differences are with a bank, they're gonna have a lot of overhead. It's gonna be more of a corporate type of environment, HR, payroll. There's a lot of overhead expense. You're not gonna see Super Bowl commercials at a brokerage, but you will with Rocket Mortgage. So that cost to do those commercials, that cost to have those many employees is passed on to the client in the form of rates. On the wholesale side, on the brokerage side, you're typically gonna get wholesale pricing, lower interest rates, and I know that's a big key for a lot of people when they're shopping. Next is flexibility. The program flexibility you have on the direct lending side is you're only gonna be looking at that lender's program. So ABC company can only offer ABC's programs. However, on the broker side, you have dozens of lenders to choose from, with each lender having their own portfolio of loan programs. So if you don't fit the conventional or FHA guidelines, a broker's typically gonna have some other options, whether you're self-employed, you need a bank statement program, whatever it is. Next is gonna be fees. So on the bank side, and this is sometimes, but on the bank side, you can sometimes get some lower fees. So maybe they can bake in their underwriting fee with the rate because they're charging a little bit more. So you're not gonna see that necessarily on the loan estimate. On the broker side, we get billed for underwriting. So it's typically gonna be a flat fee passed on to the client. Now, on the bank side, the process, and this is super important, especially if you have a deadline or if this is a home purchase, but on the bank side, it's usually gonna be a slower process. On the broker side, you have more fast closings, you have agents that are typically in the open houses with realtors. It's more of a relationship type of lending. Banks are gonna be more corporate, call center type of environment. On the broker side, it's gonna be a lot more relationship based. You may meet your loan officer in person. You're typically never gonna meet your loan officer at a call center or at a bank. So let me know in the comments what you guys think is the best option for your home mortgage.